In this video, we are going to see how we can combine the day, month, and year into a date within a single cell. So there might be situations where we have the opposite scenario. We already have it separated into separate cells or in separate columns, and we have to combine it into a single date just to show it like this. How will we do it? Let's see. So the formula is very simple. We will use the date function. But guys, before that, let me just clean and make the space for working. As you can see, it's looking so much congested. What we'll do is just go to the home tab and just collapse the ribbon from the right. And also on the left hand side, you can see that these are two groups. So let's just remove these groups. I'll just go to the data and click on ungroup rows. Again, go to the data, ungroup. So all is ungrouped now. And we can still see that in this particular area, these rows are hidden. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then is 16. So how to unhide rows? Let's select all of these rows, right click here and click on unhide, and there we go. Similarly, for the text functions at the bottom, we have 18 and then 32. Just select both of these rows, right click, unhide. So anyways, we were working on the date formula. So equals to date. First of all, we have to select the year. Year is from this cell, comma, then we will select month, comma, then we will select day, hit enter, and you should be able to see a combined date. Just double click to send it down for all the other rows if you have many rows in the data. Also, let's see how we can use the date value function. Sometimes what happens is you have a specific date in the formula and it's also formatted in the date sequence. Just go to the home, and if we convert it to a general format, this is the actual date value. So let's say that we want the date columns to be intact and we need to insert some other columns where we need the date value separately, not by changing the format. How will we do it? The date value is the formula. I'll just select the date text, hit enter. But here we see an error. So how will we resolve it? Basically, date value is to convert any kind of date text into the date value. So what we'll do, we have to write it in a certain way. Let's say that there are some problems with the date and you want to convert it into a value. You have to manually write it in inverted commas, and then it should convert it into a value. So although this formula is not much used, but you might see some scenarios where this formula will be used. So that's another choice. And the text function, we have already seen this. It will convert the serial number of month, date, and year into the proper full form of the names. So this is how you can combine the date using the individual serial number of month, day, and year. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.